This is a 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. Safety, space, and comfort. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a keyless entry system, satellite radio, direct injection, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a full-size spare tire, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and an anti-theft protection system. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Advantage Chevrolet Hodgkins is located at 9510 West Joliet Road in Hodgkins. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.